Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Praveen Kumar Gomasetti. In this video, I'll cover one of the important topic that is query tag. Okay, we'll use this topic regularly in our day-to-day project. That is query tag. We'll see the same thing in detail, what exactly query tag is. Okay, let me help you with the things. Okay, now we'll see the same thing in practical. Okay, I'm trying to create new file. Okay, I'm trying to create a model, flower braces. So config, this syntax should be known. Okay, so config, so materialized equals to table. Okay, now I want to create as a transient table with simple select statement. Select one ID. Okay, I'll tell the use case what exactly. Now in the models folder, I'm trying to create simple name. So Praveen, simple name. So Praveen, DBT trainer. Okay. It's a .sql. So models are nothing but it's a .sql file that contains select statement. Control C, create in the models folder. This is my model name. So create. Now how to run this model by using which command? So we should use what command? DBT. Okay, so DBT in the command line, DBT run -m and the model name. Okay, now so now model has been executed. Now point is that what now see? So see the point is that what if you see the log. Okay, see same. Okay, table has been transient table has been created. Okay, Control C, go to the snowflake. Okay, so try to open one more session and try to execute. Now point is that what now we have executed the same thing in snowflake as well as DBT. Now I want to figure out the queries which we are executed from DBT. I want to track one more time. Now see from the DBT I execute the same statement. From the snowflake also I execute the same statement. Now I want to understand from the DBT what are the queries we have executed. So for this purpose, what DBT given a concept called query tag. Okay, see. So put inside the same thing, comma, query tag. Okay, it is used for tracking our queries. Query tag. Okay, so put something like so Praveen DBT. So now save it. Okay, now let me rerun the model. So Praveen DBT1 is the query tag. So DBT use up arrow, we can able to get the function. Now see it is getting executed. Go to the snowflake. Now see here, go to the query history. Now see create a replace table. So create a replace table is there. Now I want to figure out the query is executed for DBT from. So filters, search for query tag, Control V, the query tag name, apply filters. Now see, so we can easily understand like these two queries are executed from DBT. So the main purpose of query tag is that what? So I want to differentiate the queries which we are executed from DBT. How can you figure out by using which concept? By using query tag. So query tag. Okay, you should give the name. So unique name so that we can able to understand this functionality. Okay, hope this is clear. If you like the content, subscribe and share the channel. Thank you for watching.